What's up, future super affiliate? I am Raghav here. Welcome to my Profit Jam review. As you can see, I am here inside the members area of Profit Jam software. In this quick video, I will strip it down, show you what's inside, and also tell you what the sales page doesn't tell you. And of course, I have put together an exclusive bonus bundle for you, absolutely free. Even if you don't buy Profit Jam through me, you can click on the link in the description and claim this bonus bundle absolutely free, no purchase required. Okay, and but before that, I want to thank you for clicking on my review video and watching it, because this helps me with the YouTube algorithm. So I want to reward you with a free 48-hour training pass to one of the best training events I attended online, because inside this training Devon Brown revealed the secret of 100k super affiliates, because super affiliates will never share their secrets, but I'm your good friend. I don't want to be stingy like others. Just click on the second link in the description and download the free pass anytime you want. Alright, let's dive into Profit Jam. So what is Profit Jam exactly? Profit Jam is a business suite that contains 7 softwares that are essential to run any online business today. Okay, you may be doing affiliate marketing or in a coaching business or even e-commerce. You need a funnel builder to design your landing pages or your sales funnels. Okay, and then you need an autoresponder to blast out hundreds of emails to your subscribers with a push of a button, and a link locker to track your links. Okay, this is very important. Tracking the links where the traffic comes from, but it converts. The link locker is very important to see what really works. Okay, and it also contains some additional tools. The lead generation tool, you can use this lead generation tool to grab email addresses of hundreds of business online. And the image editor is not needed. You can use Canva, but the image editor comes with 20,000 plus stock image collection. You can use it for free. And the file storage is 250 GB lifetime license. Okay, it all comes with a one-time simple investment. This is for online entrepreneurs who are finally ready to start. People who not even started online business, because most people don't start because they don't want to pay for autoresponder, they don't want to pay for funnel builder because they cost hundreds of dollars per month. Because if you want to use all of these tools, it will cost you nearly 300 annually. It will be $3,000 or something, because people don't start because of they're afraid of this investment. But Traffic Jam comes with an one-time investment of $17. The price is very good. Now before the demo, let me show you my bonuses. If you click on the link in the description down below this video, you'll be taken to my bonus page for Traffic Jam. You can know everything about Traffic Jam inside my bonus page, and you can grab my bonus bundle absolutely free, as I said earlier. But all you have to do is to, before the countdown timer hits 0, that is because after this all of my bonuses will be gone and this page might be taken down. So if you click on the link in the description, just grab these bonuses. Okay, my bonus number 1 is 0 to 124 hours. This is how I got started when I'm starting out online business. John Armstrong teaches you how to get your link approved on Warrior Plus offers, and also tell you how to do review videos like this. Okay, this still works. This method still works. Trust me, guys. If you put some work and time into this method, you will can make absolutely anywhere from $25 to $100 per day online. Okay, my bonus number 2 is Goodwill. Okay, Goodwill is a free method to getting traffic for your offers. If you know how to use Facebook, you can use Goodwill to make some very good money for free. Inside this training, my good friend Eric Aggie will teach you how to make your post go viral. If you post something inside an affiliate marketing group, your post may go viral if more and more people comment and like on your post, and you can get traffic to your offers using that single Facebook post. Okay, group post. Okay, also Brendan Mays goes in detail about chatbot training. You can use chatbot to send automated messages using Messenger and get some sales. Okay, and bonus number 3 is Boomerang Buddy. This is a software that helps you find influencers in your niche. You can find influencers and pay them for at least $5 to $10 to give a shout out for your offers. You can make a ton of sales with this, because these influencers already have a ton of followers. Okay, they have thousands of followers, even 10k, even 100k followers they have. So you can pay them 5 to 10 bucks for each shout out, and you can get a ton of traffic from this one. Okay, and bonus number 4 is Enigma. I'm giving you the pro version. This is software. Inside this, John Armstrong will give you the training for Enigma. This is a long-term strategy. You can grow your Facebook page. The software finds viral content for your offers in any niche, and you can download and upload them to your page, and you can get a ton of traffic. But this one is a long-term strategy, and you don't have to pay for influencers like Boomerang Buddy. This is a free traffic method and a long-term strategy. And bonus number 5 is the free 48-hour training pass. I told you earlier, this is one of the best training I ever seen, because this training helped me a lot, guys. This training helped me a lot. I am giving this as a bonus. You can if you ask me what is the best bonus of all of these 5, I will say this training pass is the best bonus I can give you. Also, be sure to click on this green button, any of the green buttons, and claim the bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. That is because my bonus page will be might be taken down after the countdown timer hits 0. Now let me show you the demo you have been waiting for. Come back after the demo. I will explain you the pricing and upgrades. That is all the demo, guys. Now you got a clear idea about what Profit Jam is and how it gonna benefit you with your online business. Okay, you can click on the link in the description down below and come to my bonus page. Here you can find everything about Profit Jam. The Profit Jam front end version cost you 17 bucks. I will try to find some coupons and update in the description down below. Just check for a coupon in the description down below so you can get a discounted price. Okay, for this price you will get a Profit Jam, the world's only business suite loved by millions of entrepreneurs and business owners. Okay, you can get all these tools, and Profit Jam Max Edition comes with $37. It comes with commercial license and premium features, pre-made video templates with the reseller license. You don't need this, I think. Profit Jam Enterprise cost you 47 bucks. There is an all-in-one marketing suite. This is they are mentioning the Profit Jam. You will get access to Profit Jam and also the social media sharing and full analytics and commercial license. That is a little bit confusing. If you want, you can get the enterprise license, so it includes a commercial license. You can sell these softwares and services to anyone. I can charge them anywhere from 100 to 300 bucks. And then Profit Jam bundle box edition cost you 67 bucks. You will get 5 done for you products to sell. You don't need this. And Profit Jam reseller edition, you can buy 500 reseller license for 97 bucks and resell Profit Jam as your own product. Okay, upgrade number 5 is Profit Jam done for a edition. Okay, it cost you $167. For this price they will create fully responsive agency website and high quality and for the 10 hot in-demand niches. You don't need this, but if you have something to invest, you have some money to invest, you can invest. They will do all the hard work for you. You don't have to create on your own. Okay, that is all from me for today. Just click on the link in the description and click on any of the green buttons. Just grab my bonuses even if you don't buy Profit Jam through me. If you like my bonuses, just leave it a like below, or if you dislike, just leave it a dislike button. This is Raghav signing off. See you on my next video.